Did anybody else think we're getting traded today? I mean, I obviously know it's not going to be me because she plays with me like every day. So, sorry everyone. Just shut up. She didn't even play with you, like, you're such a liar. She plays with me the most. I don't know why she likes to play with puppets. Because puppets, like, they're just basic, but look at me. I mean, I pop, but better than puppets. So I'm probably going to be one of the puppets. Hey guys, what's going on? I'm guessing you didn't hear, but one of us is getting traded. And it's not going to be me or Simple Dimple. So, sorry puppet. Even if I do get traded, at least I get to go away from yous. Burn? Papa, I didn't know you were that savage. Get away from me. Don't come near me. And of course I'm savage. So let's hope I get traded because I'm not staying with yous. Gosh, she's coming. Trading this puppet is my favourite one.
Oh my god, my dream item is a puppet. I'll offer this.
Hi. Oh my god, please don't do it. Oh my god, he is so annoying. How do you know he's annoying? Well, before I was owned by this girl, I was owned by another girl. And that same guy was there. Annoying. Okay. Yes. Oh, yes, yes. Oh, yes, and they're home. Hi, everybody. My name is Blue Squishy. If you remember me, I honestly don't know what I am. I'm a puppet thing. But I'm cooler than a puppet. Oh, yes, puppet thing. I remember you when we got owned by Felicia. When I left her, I said, bye, Felicia. I miss Felicia. Bye, Felicia. What? Why is everybody looking at me like that?